What's up, my people? My name is Armando, and today we're going to be discussing digital marketing. Now, being that digital marketing encompasses a whole lot of factors and many different avenues, we're going to break this up into two parts. So please be sure to like and subscribe down below. Turn on your notifications, that way you know when the next episode is up. Let's get right to it. Number one, this might seem a little obvious, but the most basic fundamental structure when it comes to digital marketing should be your website. We want to make sure that users know who you are, the services that you provide, and how to get a hold of you as easy as possible. Within your website, there are a few key components that we should look after. One is our website speed. We need to make sure that it's loading quick, simply because most of our users will hit the back button within 3 seconds if nothing loads up. Mobile devices are outpacing desktops when it comes to search queries, right? So we need to make sure that it's mobile friendly in order for us to attract all of our customers. It's important for us to ensure that our website is HTTPS secured and protected. Even if you're just asking for a phone number and email, us as consumers, we are much more informed than we were, last year, 2 years, 3 years, even 5 years ago. We just like seeing that as an end user. We want to make sure that we're not bombarding them with irrelevant information, or it's hard for them to get a hold of you, or having to go through a whole navigation in order for them to figure out what it is that you do and what services you provide. So if we can make it easy for them to navigate to who you are, the services you provide, and how to contact you, you're winning. Number two, SEO or search engine optimization. Easiest way to explain this is optimizing your website for best search engine results. For example, let's say you provide floor services and a customer starts searching floor services near me. The way that this works is that, say for instance, Google, they have these search crawlers, which essentially crawl through millions of web pages out there. They categorize them, they index them, so that when a user like you and I or your customer goes in and searches for something, they spit out the most relevant information as fast as possible. That's the name of the game. Being optimized so that your website is the result that they get when they search for your services. Now, this is a lot of information to digest, a lot of line items to check off, right? But there are some great companies out there today that allow you to go in and simply add in your information, your criteria, your services, contact information in certain fields in order for them to spit out a website that is SEO friendly. So my suggestion is, if this is a lot to digest, simply go to a company that does it all for you in order for you to be SEO compliant. Number three, your PPC or your pay per click advertisement. Now, this here is an umbrella term for paid advertisement, where you only pay once somebody actually clicks on your ad. Most often, what we see is search paid ads, such as those that you see once you actually go into Google to search for something and you get those top 3 or 4 results. There are other forms of PPC or paid advertisement, like your social media ads, your YouTube ads, your display ads, your Google local services ads, right? These are all forms of PPC advertisement. So keep in mind that if one avenue isn't working necessarily, there's always a second, a third, or fourth. But it's important to have at least 3 avenues for lead sources, which we'll get into a little bit further down the road. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, because those videos will be coming out soon. Number 4, SEM or search engine marketing. Now, search engine marketing is a combination of marketing techniques, marketing methods aimed to help your company, your website, dominate when it comes to search engine results, right? So this is a combination of your SEO, of your pay-per-click advertisement, where search engines are essentially using your keywords, your phrases, questions that are relevant to your company, and making it rank higher based on how relevant it is based on what's being searched for. Now, I hope that these 4 key fundamentals gave you a base knowledge of digital marketing, being that it's so grand, right? We don't want to get lost in the weeds. We just want to make sure that, to begin with, our website is one up and running and up to par. Our SEO is optimized. We have pay-per-click advertisement, and it's encompassed within our search engine marketing. On our next episode, we'll go ahead and go into retargeted marketing, email marketing and marketing automation. We'll go into video marketing as well as social media marketing as a whole. So again, that's what we see probably most often and hear about, but without these 4 fundamentals, we can't get into that, right? So again, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and stay tuned for the next episode coming soon. Till then.